In this tutorial I want to look at how we can do revisions on a assembly or parts within assembly. So in the Design Manager, if I select a file and go to the Tools tab, go to the Design Manager Assistant and choose Revise a File. It then tells me to select the file. As I pre-selected it, it's already there, and you specify which options you want to use. So I'm just going to increment it as we go, and I can specify that I just want to have it in the same folder and go next. So this is searching now for files within this folder, and it's going to search and try and find where this file is used. So when we go finish, it's just telling me that it's going to list those individual files. It's given it revision numbers, and it's incremented the file name as well. So if I want to, I can go in and upgrade those. So that's on a single file level. On an assembly level, I can expand all, select all, and then if I do the same process, it works slightly differently. So we go to revise, it picks the assembly, and we have the option that I also want to revise all the files within the assembly. So you go next, and you choose the same options that we did before, and that goes through and finds all of those files and then populates all of that information. So it also gives me the option of putting them into a new location as well. So I'm just going to leave them in the same location. So it's gone through, added in the revision numbers as needed, and it's sort of then allowing me to create all of that at once. So when you've got it all set, you just go and perform actions, and it creates all of those new revisions for you.